So this short on my channel has 1.3 million views since I published it. I received 95% positive comment and 5% negative comment. So in this video I am going to show you how to erase pen written easily with the help of tape only. So we need a tape. You can use any kind of tape. Cut a piece of tape. I wrote whatever came in my mind. So I wrote YouTube algorithm. Now place a piece of tape on word you want to erase and rub it with your fingers and hold fast in one direction. After rubbing you have to remove it fastly. And keep in mind one thing, that don't try it on official document or on your certificates. Do this carefully. Here I want to remove only UBE, so placed tape on UBE and removed it.